Hey there, my name is Chand, and before we go further, in order to understand the Java programming language, there is something I would like to discuss with you. Now friends, when it comes to software application development, it is a teamwork. Usually, whenever you will build a software, there would be numerous people who will be working with you. Now, in order to manage these all things, in order to handle the dependencies, in order to handle the resources, in order to handle the contributions, there must be some management tool, some software, and indeed there is a piece of software which will be in between all the resources, all the contributors, and using the tool we would be able to work as a team and build an amazing software. Getting my point? So whenever we work as a team member, whenever a software is built, there is a tool in between which will handle the versioning, subversioning, things like that. And using this tool, software development would be definitely very easy because we can work as a team member, and if we have a good team, we can build amazing software like this. Alright, so this is something which we will understand in our forthcoming videos. We will try to understand a very popular tool by the name of Git and a couple of things related to Git, and the knowledge of Git is definitely an added plus as a beginner. This is the reason why we are taking up this section, these extra additional videos, which is very important when it comes to a beginner in Java world. And we will check couple of features related to Git, we will check couple of things related to Git, we will also check the basic configuration of Git in couple of videos. Alright, so these couple of videos are very important, and the knowledge of Git is again very important for a beginner Java developer. So I hope you guys understood why we will start with Git and why we will try to understand couple of things related to Git moving forward in our couple of videos. Alright, so this is a short and simple message from me to you. This is Chand signing off. Thanks for watching.